Channel once again. Today we are actually doing transplanting on the rice farm. As you can see, men are at work. They are actually doing the transplanting. This is upland rice farming, and we did it on an raised bed. You can see these are the raised beds. You can see how we have actually made raised beds. So the reason why we did it on a raised bed is because we had much grasses here, so we have to cover the grasses with soil to form a raised bed. And at the same time, we want something from that grass. Those grasses, they were rotten, and at the same time produce enough manure for us so that we can minimize the input of fertilizer. So you can see how we are actually transplanting. The transplanting is done 20 centimeter by 20 centimeter. So you can see the men at work doing the transplanting. So you just take a look at how unique the rice transplanting is. As I said earlier, the reason why it's on this raised bed, another thing we are going to get from this is that we can actually control the beds in terms of weeding, because weeding is one of the primary aspects of rice. So if you can actually control weeds, that means you can get much things from the rice. So if weed overtake you in your rice farm, it's a disaster. So that's why we did the beds, so that we can control each bed, work on it. You can see the furrow. That is exactly where I am working on now. You can see the furrow. So I can actually work on a particular bed, knowing when that bed, that particular rice bed, is having issue in terms of disease, so that we can tackle the disease, tackle the weeds. So it's a very nice practice. If you have been farming rice and you have not practiced this method, I think you need to come to this method. Use this method of rice planting, and you're gonna get a lot. And another thing we want to get from this, our target is 1 million rice seedlings. So with this raised bed, we can now tell how many rice seedlings that we have planted. Because if we can count all the raised bed, we have over 150 raised beds here. So we can now tell how many seeds that we have actually planted on this raised bed. So that is exactly what we are doing. And this is a very fine method. This is in Imo State, Orogwe community. That is where the rice farm is located. I really thank you. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in another wonderful video. Thank you very much. This is Ajay Crypto. I am in the farm. We are in the farm doing the needful. Thank you very much. Thank you, and see you once again.